Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. We're going to look at how to build the candy dispenser. Alright friends, so the peg game is really pretty simple to build. It consists of 8 pieces. And really, there's 2 big pieces, 2 medium pieces, 2 small pieces, and then a number 5 piece and a number 8 piece that I have misplaced somewhere. I will get that. But before I go and do that, I have a paper that I drew out all the measurements. So here you go, screenshot. So you can pause that, you can rewind and pause it and get all those measurements down, and then you can make the candy dispenser yourself. So the way we're gonna start is you're gonna take those measurements, transfer those to a 1x6. You're getting a regular 1x6 of pine. That's all I use, just a regular 1x6 pine, and you're going to cut those pieces out of it. So here you go, folks. Here is a 1x6 pine board, and it is 32 inches to this mark right here. So all these pieces will fit onto one 1x6 that's 32 inches long. So what you can do is, if you have the patterns, you just lay these on here and start marking these out. Just lay it on here, line it up, make a mark, put the next one on here, make a mark, the next one on here, mark it out, and so on. If you don't have those, you can go back to your cut list and you can start measuring these out and then cutting those off. So that's the most time-consuming thing of this whole project. After you have all these pieces cut out, what you can do is you can take the number 1 piece, the top piece, and you can router the edges. You can do that if you want. You don't have to. You can just sand it and make it smooth. I like routering it because it makes it look nice. So once you have that done, you will take a ruler and go from this point to this point, make a line, and then this point to this point, make a line, and that will find your center. At the center of your number 1 piece, you're going to drill a 1-inch diameter hole. That will be where the candy is going to go through the top. So you need that 1-inch diameter hole right in the middle. The next thing you need to do is drill some holes in the number 8 piece for these pegs and for the hole, so you can get your candy out of here. And it is also a 1-inch hole, and it is 3 inches in. So you're going to take the number 8 piece, measure in from each side 3/4 of an inch, and then measure to find the center this way. You're gonna drill a 1/4 inch hole here and a 1/4 inch hole here. The dowels, little pegs, go in there. That's what keeps this from sliding all the way out and having your candy fall out. And then you measure in, find the center here, measure in 3 inches, drill your 1-inch hole here, all the way through. That produces this hole. So you have all your pieces cut, then you'll have all your pieces drilled, then you just need to put them together. So the number 2 piece goes on the bottom, followed by the 6 and the 7, and put them to where the grain is open on the top. Not rotate to the side, the grain is open on the top. So then you take your number 5 piece, and it creates a little bench here. Your number 3 piece goes on the side. Your number 4 piece comes on the other side. So now you have this. This is where you kind of need to do some testing. Take your number 8 piece, set it in there, then take your number 1 piece, set it on top, push down on your number 1 piece and see if the number 8 slides. If it does not slide, you need to cut more off of these little guys, the number 6 and the number 7 piece. That will lower that to where then this number 8 piece will be able to slide. Once you have that, once you have it where number 8 slides on top of number 5, you can go ahead and you can glue it. Now when you glue it, make sure you don't get any glue on the number 8 piece. You can set it in there if you want. Most times I recommend not setting it in there so it doesn't get any glue on it, because you want it to be able to slide. And then after that, you just mount your jar lid on the top, so you can take your jar, put it upside down. Hey, thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks for the view. Remember to work hard, because hard work is its own reward. And I would like to thank a viewer for the fan art that they sent in. Thanks so much, I appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching.